Hi, my name is Rob with AirTech, a certified Nest professional, and today we're going to be doing a comparison of Nest Hello Wedges, third-party wedges that work with your Nest. Hello. We'll be looking at our AirTech 30-degree wedge and wall plate kit. So as you can see, the kit, it comes in two pieces, in black and white. You can use it as a wall plate by itself, which goes directly on the wall. You can use it as a wall plate and a 30-degree wedge. Fits nice, no gaps. One thing I'm going to point out when doing a comparison is as you look around the mount, you see there's no air gaps. Wiring is completely concealed and protected. And there's plenty of room for your wires in the back here that connect on the back of the Nest Hello. And if you use the Nest Hello wire connectors, you'll have plenty of room. A lot of times when you mount this against the wall, there's not a lot of space in the wall, in the hole in the wall. So with this being a completely enclosed mount, it protects the wire and it makes the wiring of the Nest Hello a lot easier to manage. Our kit, it also works with the included 15-degree Nest wedge. So if you put these together, you can get yourself a full 45 degrees. Let me see if I can get that angle. There we go. So that's really nice as well. I designed this because I figured after doing a few that an extra 15 to 30 degrees would be great. So I went ahead and got a patent. I have a patent pending on this 30-degree wedge design. Our first design, it was nice, but there were flaws, and I'll show you from one of our competitors who copied our original design. You can see in our original design, as what you'll find on the market in Amazon, there's a big gap. So what was happening is your wires would become exposed. So we went ahead and revised it. So this mount here is from one of our competitors. Another thing too, if you look through, you have a big air gap, which will also, moisture can get back there, and then all of a sudden your wire connections are going to start corroding. So we took that into consideration and we closed that up. So that's one thing I wanted to share in doing a comparison. And that's pretty much the biggest thing. You see here, so your wires are exposed, you get wire back there, and then boom, your unit's shorted, you're out $229. So also you can't use the faceplate by itself. Like I said, this competitor, they pretty much almost copied our design, like from, I don't know. I mean, it's almost exact, except for these two slots here. I don't know what that's all about. So I advise against these cheaper models. Something to think about when you're out there trying to find a nice wedge for your Nest Hello. Another one of the other competing companies out there right now, and there's quite a few that are like this. You'll find that their designs are different, but the concept is the same. You're going to have exposed wires. If you look, you see down in the hole there. So, and this, to be honest with you, this design is just kind of awkward. Doesn't really work too well. But the biggest thing is, so let's say that this is your wall. Okay, so all through there you have this big gap, and that's where your wires are going to be exposed. So I highly advise against anything that is going to keep your wires exposed. The only wedge out there that I've found so far is the Nest Hello 30-degree angle by AirTech, airtechpro.com. We've sold hundreds of these so far. We've had only positive reviews. So one thing that we get a lot of compliments on is the nice design and the durability. This is ABS plastic. I mean, it's not going to break. We warranty our parts for a year, although there's no reason for any type of breakdown. These are rated for outdoor. This plastic's rated for outdoor use. The kit, depending on if you just purchase the 30-degree wedge, it'll ship in a box like this, depending on where you purchase from, I guess, as well. But if you get it directly off our website, you'll receive a box like this with the card in it that has the link for installation instructions, which is pretty handy. You have your mounting screws. You'll want to use the short screw to attach the mounting plate. Okay, so this is the actual plate. So it connects like so, and you'll use one of these 1/2-inch screws to attach that. And as you can see, so you can mount it to the 30-degree wedge, or if you don't want to use the 30-degree wedge, you can mount it directly to the wall plate there. So it comes in a bag like I showed you. Real easy. And then if you purchase the kit, it ships a bigger box, packed up pretty much the same way with all the same hardware inside, your card and whatnot. So anyhow, just a quick recap. The important thing when you're looking for a third-party angle mount or wall plate for the Nest video doorbell, the most important thing you want to consider is if there's a if the wires are completely protected. So with the AirTech mount, as you can see, they are, with our recessed screw hole area there. You won't get any water, any moisture back there. Your wires will be completely protected. So these are sold separately as a 30-degree wedge, a wall plate. These are $15.95. You can buy the kit together for $25. So it's just, and it looks really nice. This is called the Classic Pill Collection. So, and we also have a SKU where the mount has a white plate and the actual bracket itself is black. And then we have another SKU where the plate is black and the mount is white. So I've mounted a few like that at customers' requests. So I figured, you know what? Let's just go ahead and package it up. They look really cool together when it's on the wall. So you can either order it like this, or you can order it like that as well. You can find all this at airtechpro.com. All right, thanks for watching. Look for our installation video, and we'll have a couple other videos too. I have some ideas for some other mounts. In fact, while I'm talking to you really quick, I get a lot of requests for siding. So let's say that this is the wall. So on the siding, it's angled a little bit, or let's see, sorry, it's angled this way. So I'm in the process of building a little wedge that goes behind the wall plate, which will accommodate anyone who has any type of vinyl siding or wood siding at a slight angle, which causes your Nest Hello to be angled slightly upward. So what we're gonna do with that siding wedge is it'll kick it out. And it'll work with the wall plate. It'll just be an insert that goes behind the wall plate. We'll have that in black and in white as well. All right, thanks for watching.